Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming Resolve 19 is active and your timeline frame rate matches delivery specs because subtitles must sync to frames. Once done, import footage and place clips on the Edit timeline. Make sure the Captions panel is visible. Then create a subtitle track, right-click the timeline, add subtitle track, and select a language if required. This creates time-aligned lanes. Next, select the first clip and position playhead where the first caption will appear, so you can begin adding subtitles immediately. You add a subtitle by using the timeline toolbar Add Subtitle button or pressing Alt+N. Type directly in the inspector because it stores metadata for export. Once added, trim the subtitle clip to match speech precisely. Make sure each caption respects readability. Aim for 2 seconds minimum and avoid overlong lines. Then style in the inspector. Choose font, size, background box, and margins so text is legible against imagery. Also use the timeline ripple to move following captions when you change durations, which preserves sync. You finish by choosing how to export. On the delivery page, open subtitle settings and pick SRT for separate files, embedded captions for containers, or burn-in if the platform needs hard-coded text. Once selected, set encoding and export. Make sure the timeline render range includes subtitle tracks. If captions appear out of sync, check for media relinks or differing frame rates. Use conform to correct timeline vs. source mismatches. Then retime subtitle clips. Finally, preview the exported file to confirm correct placement and legibility.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.